Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you Jeera Arbi. We always make Jeera Aloo and please try this recipe Jeera Arbi. It's a taro root and this is very delicious. What I have done it, I peeled it, I washed it and I cut into small pieces. Jeera, which is cumin seed, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt, mustard seed, each one of them half teaspoon. Couple teaspoon olive oil and fresh cilantro. And let's start making our delicious Jeera Arbi. Get a fry pan, I'm going to start gas and we're going to keep gas on high. I'll bring 2 teaspoon olive oil. I'll bring cumin seed, jeera and mustard seed. As soon as they start to sputter, start already cracking up. So I'm going to bring cumin powder, garam masala, coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt, black pepper, and we're going to mix them. And we're going to cook our spices like 20 seconds. Now I'm going to bring Arbi. I'm going to bring the gas to medium. Mix them well. Once it's nicely combined with all the spices, we're going to spread it evenly. I'm going to open it after 5 minutes. Then we're going to stir it and we're going to leave it another 5 minutes. So altogether we're going to cook for 10 minutes on medium gas. Cooking for 5 minutes and cut into small pieces. It cooks faster and also it becomes crunchy. And if we look at the Arbi itself, it's still firm. After mixing it well, I'm going to spread it evenly again and cover with the lid. We're going to cook additional 5 minutes. Now, after 3 minutes, we're going to open it and we're going to stir it once. Cooking for another 3 minutes. Altogether, 8 minutes of cooking. Mix it. Cook additional 2 minutes. Now I'm going to bring fresh cilantro. Good amount of fresh cilantro. That's going to bring nice flavor to our dish. So mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid and we're going to cook additional 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes of cooking, altogether 10 minutes of cooking with the closed lid. I'm going to open it. Wow. I'm going to turn up the gas and our dish is all ready. Jeera Arbi. I'll get my serving bowl. Wow, look at this. Our quick and easy Jeera Arbi is all ready. It's very delicious and very tasty and very nutritious sabji. Please try it and you're going to like it. Like always, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.